choose the best clickbait product to promote? How do you choose the best hot topic on clickbait? When you promote it, you make money. How do you find out the best niche? Because there was a lot of niches and topics on clickbait. Thereby, you can making it confusing to you as an affiliate marketer, as a new beginner. How to choose the best product so that when you promote it, the best hot topic, so that when you promote it, people will make a purchase, and when they make a purchase, you make money with it. In this video, I will share you through how to choose the best clickbait product to promote and make money with it. Without wasting much of our time, let's just dive into the training. What's up guys, I'm Austin and this is Renegrant TV. In this channel, we do a lot of video on fundamental principles of online business that will help you to grow your income faster and make a greater impact in the internet with affiliate marketing business. I do a lot of video on clickbait products, on JVZoo products, on how somebody new beginner can start from scratch, from zero, and be making a consistent income with the help of affiliate marketing business in YouTube. So, if today is the first time you are watching one of my videos, why not give me a comment to the comment section below? Why not say hi to me so that I will be notified and get in contact with you? But here, my dear, don't forget to subscribe. You see, the truth is that human beings are filled with unlimited problems. Unlimited one, the problem in which they need a solution. No matter how you take you are in this world, you need a problem. So YouTube is on fire, internet, Google is on fire. People are coming with different kinds of problems, different kinds of issues, trying to find out how they can solve it, trying to trying to figure out how they can solve their own problem within their midst. Now, there comes on to make money with it. How do you use this avenue, this opportunity to make money with it? You can make money with this avenue by recommending products to people. That by solving people's problem, when you solve their problem, then you earn a commission. There comes to our today's teaching, how to choose the best clickbait product to promote. Now, in case you don't know clickbait is affiliate marketing network that based mainly on information products, teaches people how they can solve their particular problem. Now, how will you choose the best product on clickbait? As an affiliate marketer, before coming up on how to choose products on clickbait, anyway, we won't go directly to our system today, to our wrap-up today, because a lot of people does that. How to choose a product on clickbait, a lot of people do that. A lot of people do the same thing in the internet, showing you the particular way on how to choose a product on clickbait. But here, choosing the product is not the main thing, okay? The main thing here is that is behind the product, behind how to market the product. That is number one thing. If you want to make money, you're solving people's problem. Now, recommending the product for them is one thing. Then the second thing is, how do you structure yourself in order to recommend the product for the leaders? When it comes on clickbait marketplace, there is a lot of topic to choose with, a lot of hot topic, but I do recommend you choosing the health and fitness topic because it moves well, because it's among the hot topic. Okay? In health and fitness, we have the categories of how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight online, how to have six-pack to your body, how to have muscle without exercise, how to look more younger. Okay? All these things are problems in which people are coming to the internet to start to deal with. People want to know how they can lose belly fat, how they can lose weight. People want to know how they can have six-pack at men. People want to know how also they can have flat tummy. People want to know how to look sexy. People want to know how to look more younger than ever before. All these kind of things, all these things are problems. People are coming to the internet to search for. Yeah? Like you can be the niche of dog training. People who have dogs, they want to know how they can train their dog well so that their dog will be communicating with them. So that when they talk to their dog will listen to them. It's also a problem. People comes in the internet to find. Looking on who that will solve their problem for them. If you recommend a product for them, if the product is good, valuable to them, then you reward it for it. That is how it works in affiliate marketing business. Now, the good thing is that before recommending any product to anybody, make sure you buy the product first so that you know how the product works before recommending it to anybody. I have showed you most of the problems, most of the topics in which people are searching for in the internet, in which people want to deal with within them. The hot topic that you can use on ClickBank in order to make money. Now, I know that most of the people's tutorial, they will even tell you that when you want to choose any product on ClickBank, you first go on Gravity. Yes, Gravity score is also good, but Gravity here doesn't mean that the product is good. Gravity here serves as to show that people are promoting those products, to show that the product is in a high demand, that people are promoting the product much. Okay? So before you check the Gravity, first thing, purchase the product and introduce the product by yourself and know whether the product is good or the product is crafty. Because when you sell crafty products to people is going to refund you. People is going to refund. And ClickBank have a refundment of 60 days. That is also huge amount of some days, huge amount of time. So be careful in choosing products in ClickBank. Okay? Don't you ever choose a product, sell a product to somebody which you yourself have never used before. Use your own money and invest on the product. Then when you buy the product, utilize the product and know whether the product is good or bad. If it's good, if it's a good product, then you recommend it to people. If the product that actually shows somebody how he can get six-pack, and you yourself have used it and see that the product works, or the product is a product that shows women how they can look more sexy, or how they can have control over men. Okay? If it works well with you, then you recommend it to people. Then if it doesn't work well, don't recommend it to people, because when you recommend crappy product to people, when they buy it and see that the product doesn't make sense, people will start seeing you like a liar. People will start seeing you like a scammer. Not only that, they will refund it. And when they refund it, it won't make any sense at all. Another thing I would like you to check on ClickBank, on choosing the ClickBank product, is the upsell of the product. Now, look for the product that has a beautiful upsell. A product, not a product that has a lot of upsell, because if your customers buy any product that have a lot, like 5 times or 6 times or 7 times upsell, their customer is going to get confused. They're going to be angry with you. Okay? Buy the product, recommend to them the product that have, let's say, 3 upsell or 4 upsell. Even 4 is much. 3 upsell. That's why I say purchase the product first and know how the product works. How the upsell of the product works. Okay? Before recommending to your customer, before recommending to anybody. But the problem here is not the product. The problem here is the strategy behind the product, because his strategy is more important than that is here. Okay? How will you position yourself in order to sell those products to those people who need it? That is another issue. I know a lot of tutorials you see on YouTube won't tell you all these things. Won't tell you all those things. All these things that I'm mentioning now. They only tell you to go to a bank and choose this product and choose other product, blah, 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 blah. But that is not the issue. The issue here is not choosing the product, but the strategy you use to market the product. That's another problem. And that comes on today's station because there is where the money rise. How will you know the particular strategy, the particular formula that works, that used to convert people so that they will buy from you? When they buy from you, you make a commission. I want to hear your comment in the comment section below this video if this trend makes sense to you. Then I will recommend only one, like I told you before, that the problem here is not the products. The problem here is the strategy behind the product. Okay? How do you market the product itself? Yes, you are being taught to recommend product to people and make a purchase. How do you recommend a product? Which strategy would you use in order to convert those customers, in order to convert those people that need the product? Okay, that is another problem. A lot of product, a lot of tutorial, a lot of video, a lot of teaching, a lot of people won't tell you this thing, but I know the secret behind it. Okay, that is why there is a confusion in the field of affiliate marketing business today. That's why a lot of newbies are not making cash, are not making any dime in their affiliate marketing business today. The strategy behind the product is the issue and not the product itself. That comes to our today's training. I recommend a program for you in which you go and learn how to be a great promoter in affiliate marketing business. Okay, a lot of products in ClickBank will promise you that, but I do tell you that ClickBank is not one of the popular affiliate network program. Okay, but I want to tell you here that popularity doesn't equal to the quality. A lot of products on ClickBank are already garbage, are already scrap. A lot of how to make money on ClickBank, a lot of how to make money products on ClickBank, they won't tell you exactly the normal thing in which you do to make money, okay, to make money online. So a lot of them don't teach the normal thing. I have a product that I recommend for you that will guide you by hand. The program is a total video course that will show you by hand, take you by your hand and show you over the head on how to position yourself to dominate in every type of online business you want to raise yourself into. How to communicate with people, how to be a great promoter, how to dominate into this industry, how to compete with people and make a sales, how you can be making a sales in every 24 hours that comes into your website. The program is called the 4% Challenge, and which is the best program in which I recommend for you to go and learn how you can dominate, how you can make those people that needs, they are looking for those programs, how you can make them to do what to purchase from you directly. So my dear, that is it from today's video. Question of the day: which way would you think that is best on how to choose ClickBank product? Let us know from comment section below the video. Then we'll get in contact with you. Bye from now.